Hi, I am Surender. I have been using the AMI signals for the past 1 month. I have seen some outstanding results. I recommend everyone to wants to go through the AMI signals. And there are many scanners available in this, like MACD scanner, swing scanner, intraday exoblaster, RSI, and money flow scanner. And out of all these scanners, my favorite scanner is money flow scanner, which is also called as scalping. I use scalping with sync scanner. So I'll show you some results how to combine money flow with swing. And if I show you on the screen, see, I got the signal here in Torrent Pharma in scalping on July 9th, that is last Friday. And at the same time I got the signal in swing scanner here. So I'll go for this trade when it breaks the high of this candle, and I will wait for all the targets to be achieved. When I get the same signal in scalping and swing at the same time, the results are very much outstanding, and all the three targets have been achieved. If I show you on the screen, there are three targets available, 1, 2 and 3, and all these targets have been achieved. And if I show you on the Tata Steel also, on the same 9th of the July, I got the signal buy signal here, buy signal in swing scanner, and coming to scalping, same buy signal. So I have been holding the Tata Steel for Monday also. I have taken the positions and I have been waiting for the third target to be achieved. On the same day it has achieved 2 targets, and I am waiting for the third target. So this is the result of AMI signals. So even I have done many losses, and now I started making profits when I am using the AMI signal software. So there are many good things to be known. If we know how to use this software, then we can earn some good returns with minimum losses. I can say that losses also you won't face if you use the scanner. And coming to Alok sir, he is very much supportive and he teaches very well. He has shown me some good techniques also. And coming to the support team, my support team members are Ritika and Srija. They are very much friendly. They will resolve all the issues within no time. So this is what I would like to know about. I will
आज ही एमी सिग्नल्स की वेबसाइट पे विजिट करके लाइव डेमो के लिए रजिस्टर करिए और पूरे करिए अपने ट्रेडिंग के सपने को। एमी सिग्नल्स, रजिस्टर फॉर लाइव डेमो।